a senior politician. This reminds us of the serious perils we are facing on account of COVID pandemic. I would urge all of you to take a stand so that COVID protocol is followed effectively, so that we are able to contain this threat to humanity. We are in a very deep crisis in the state. Post-poll, retributive violence, acts of arson, loot now have graduated to intimidation and extortion. This is very worrisome. I have therefore decided to visit the affected parts in the state as part of my constitutional duty. I indicated to the state government to make arrangements. Unfortunately, their response has not been very responsive to the situation. I will go ahead with my schedule. This is time for me to perform my constitutional duty, to share the pain, agony, anguish of the suffering people, and would therefore make arrangements for such visits in coming days. The most alarming situation, the most concerning facet of this violence is that in democracy, people are being made to pay price with their life, with their rights, with their human rights, because they chose to vote. If your vote becomes a cause of your death, destruction of property, you are subjected to loot, arson, coercion, intimidation. It is end of democracy. Constitution cannot be taken to be functioning. Democracy cannot flourish if people are made to suffer because they chose to vote in a particular manner. This is very, very serious. Very alarming reports are coming all over the world, as media is fully aware. There is anguish, anger, concern at what is happening in the land of culture. The world over, people have contacted me. I have seen in media also their protests. That should remind us. Only yesterday, we celebrated on 160th anniversary of Kavi Guru Rabindranath Tagore, where head is held high, mind is without fear. The two fundamentals which he dreamt of are getting away from us. We are losing sight of them. We are unable to hold our head high. We are put to shame. I have got reports that people are being made to pay amounts for carrying out their normal business. Extra legal mechanism has overtaken the situation, and state apparatus is yet to take tangible steps. It's really bothering me. All is well. feel-good factor. There is no violence. Situation is on the ground otherwise. I expect from the government to engage into soul searching, to get away from optics, to take note of the grim ground reality, restore confidence of the people, and bring to book these culprits who have chosen to tarnish our democratic fabric.